Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Web3.tv. My name is Krista Tumuns, and join us here at Solana Crossroads, Turkey, Istanbul. And I am with the one, the only, from Solana Allstars, Argentina, Mr. Solwoki. How are you today?
Thank you so much. I'm doing great. It's actually my first time in Istanbul, first time at Crossroads, so I'm enjoying every moment of it, trying to take everything in. Jet lag kind of caught up with me, so I'm a little iffy. But
It's okay. So when did you arrive then? When did you
I
arrive?
arrived last night, but I traveled around 26 hours counting airports.
You flew in all the way from which country?
Argentina.
Argentina,
17-hour flight.
17-hour flight. It's fine, and you have a chance to have fun right here. So let's talk about you, Solwookie. Who are you before Solana Allstars?
So I've dabbled with a little bit of everything. I went from being a repair technician for tools, power tools, to owning a landscaping company, to working for a tech company. I worked as a salesman. The entire time I was dabbling with TradFi. I was a day trader for 10 years maybe. And then I got introduced to crypto. Immediately loved it. And the rest is history.
How long have you been in the crypto space?
I can't remember exactly, but around 8 years.
8 years.
Yeah.
Wow. It's been
My little brother's actually there in the crowd. He's 17 and I onboarded him when he was 12.
Wow. So probably he got a lot of Bitcoins right there. I'm just kidding. All right. Now let's talk about Solana Allstars and what's the story behind it.
So Solana Allstars is focused mainly on, I would say, 3 things: education, community, and onboarding. So I know education and onboarding kind of go hand in hand, but yeah, we are in 6 different countries, 4 continents, and we just do IRL events. In Argentina, we've hosted, I would say, around 50 events since we started 7 months ago. And we're creating a community, teaching people what a wallet is, what the blockchain is, and how to start your journey in crypto on the safest side of the spectrum.
You're in the Solana Allstars since when?
I've been with Allstars for around 7 or 8 months. I'm the country manager for Argentina. I obviously love Solana. I started out with Ethereum actually, and I dabbled with a bunch of different chains. The moment I saw Solana for the first time, one of my friends had 2 computers and one of the solid wallets, the old school ones, and he transferred $1 from the first one to the other one, and I just saw the speed. He got $1, and I immediately fell in love with Solana. It was not a speculative asset anymore. It was real technology. It was real applications. So I immediately started getting into it. Then I started to see how the community started developing around it. The whole, it's not as prominent anymore, NFTs and everything. Absolutely fell in love with every part of Solana.
What is the main mission and vision of Solana Allstars?
It's actually super complicated, but quite simple. We want to onboard the next billion users to Solana. That's as simple as it gets, but as complicated as it gets as well.
What makes Solana Allstars stand out from all the competitors?
Most competitors are geared towards people that are already in Solana. They have some sort of experience, they're devs. We are targeting people that know nothing about crypto and they want to learn. And what better way to start out than with Solana? And it's a very personalized experience. Since it's IRL events, we actually get to talk to people, answer their questions. If they have any questions, they can reach out, we can chat. So it's very, very personal.
Okay, and what do you think is the future impact of Solana Allstars in the ecosystem?
I think we will onboard the next billion users to Solana.
How many users we have right now currently?
How many users have we onboarded?
Yes.
Oh, it's hard to say for a fact, especially because you can't really track through wallet activity.
I know.
I have 60 wallets at least. So
60 wallets.
It's hard to
60
say.
wallets. I'm going to check his wallets later. No, I'm just kidding. All right. So what is the next big thing for Solana Allstars Argentina?
So for Argentina, we've mainly focused in Buenos Aires, the capital. And we've done, I would say, 90% of our events in Buenos Aires. This next month, as soon as I get back and take a couple of days to adjust to the jet lag, we're gonna expand as a team to 5 different cities next month.
Okay, after Solana Crossroads, Where are you heading to next?
My
Going
next
to-
one, I believe, is Córdoba, Rosario, Chascomús, Mar del Plata.
In case people might get interested about Solana Allstars, where can we catch you guys or any?
We're very active on socials. So if you're in a country where we have a presence, you can definitely reach out, go to an IRL event. Our calendars are available on socials. But if you're not in a country where Solana Allstars is available and you want to maybe start your own branch of Solana Allstars there, you
Yeah.
can definitely reach out to George or Thep. And that's the best way to go about it. If you just want to learn about the community, we also host online events. So people
Wow.
from around the world can join. We host them in English, Spanish, Turkish. I'm sure there's some other languages there that I'm missing.
I have one last question. What do you
Sure.
think is the future of Solana Allstars?
Mass expansion, mass onboarding. So I think Solana Allstars right now we're in 6 countries, like I said. I think we're gonna drastically increase that number, and we're gonna target a lot more people. Create the biggest. I think we are already the biggest IRL community of Solana in the world. We're definitely the biggest educational organization in the world when it comes to blockchain. So I think that's just gonna accelerate.
Thank you so much, Solwoki. And any last messages for our Solana family today?
No. Just keep using Solana, and if you have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out on socials to me or any member of the team. That's what we're here for. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Solwoki. So please do stand by for our next guest, only here at web3.tv.